In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on price rules in QuickBooks Online. Price rules let you automatically adjust prices for specific products, customers, or time periods, so you can run promotions, offer special rates, or apply markups without editing each item manually. Turning this feature on only takes a moment, and once it's enabled, you'll be ready to build flexible pricing that fits your business. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company and make sure you're in the correct company file. For the best results, use an admin-level login so you have access to company settings. When you're ready, look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This icon opens your main settings hub, where you can control company preferences and features. From that menu, select Accounts and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores most of the global preferences that affect how your sales, expenses, and products behave. On the left side, open the Sales tab. Here, you'll find settings that shape your sales workflow, including invoices, products, and pricing behavior. Within the Sales tab, locate the Products and Services section and choose to edit its settings. This area governs how your items function when you add them to transactions. Now look for the option labeled Turn on Price Rules. Click the switch to enable it. When the switch is on, QuickBooks activates the Price Rules feature across your account, so you can start creating pricing rules that apply automatically based on the conditions you choose. That's all you need to do to turn on price rules. The change takes effect right away, and you can begin planning how you'll use it. A few quick notes to help you succeed. If you don't see the price rules option, it may be related to your subscription level, user permissions, or region. Check that you're using a plan that supports advanced pricing features and that you have the necessary access. Also, before you build rules, decide on a clear naming convention and criteria, like customer groups, specific items, discount amounts, and start or end dates. This makes your rules easier to manage and audit later. Once enabled, price rules can save time, reduce manual errors, and keep your pricing consistent during sales or seasonal changes. To recap the process, click the gear icon in the top right, select Accounts and Settings, go to the Sales tab, open Products and Services settings, and turn on Price Rules. With that switch enabled, you're ready to streamline your pricing and keep your sales workflow running smoothly.